Hi everyone, welcome back to Worldwide Industry Pulse. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and innovative sectors on the planet, the aerospace industry. From commercial aviation to space exploration, this sector is soaring to new heights. So, buckle up as we explore the world of aerospace. The aerospace industry is one of the most advanced sectors in modern engineering, encompassing both aviation and space technologies. It includes the development, manufacturing, and operation of aircraft, spacecraft, satellites, and even defense systems. With a market value projected to surpass $1 trillion by 2030, this industry is driven by innovation, engineering marvels, and an ever-growing demand for more efficient, faster, and sustainable ways to connect and explore. The aerospace industry can be broken down into three major segments: commercial aviation, defense and military aviation, and space exploration and satellites. Commercial aviation includes the development and production of airplanes used for passenger and cargo transportation. Companies like Boeing and Airbus dominate this segment, continuously innovating to create more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly aircraft. Defense and military aviation involves military jets, helicopters, and drones essential for national security. Companies like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman are key players in developing advanced fighter jets, bombers, and unmanned aircraft systems. Space exploration and satellites encompass rockets, space stations, and satellites. SpaceX, NASA, and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space travel, aiming to make life multiplanetary, while also enabling satellite technology for global communication and Earth observation. The aerospace industry is evolving rapidly. Here are some of the key trends shaping its future. Sustainability. The aerospace sector is under pressure to reduce its environmental footprint. Companies are exploring alternative fuels, such as sustainable aviation fuel and electric or hybrid electric propulsion systems to cut down on emissions. Autonomous flight and AI and autonomous flight technologies are making waves in both the commercial and defense sectors. From autonomous drones to self-piloting planes, the integration of AI is revolutionizing the industry. Space tourism companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are pioneering space tourism, promising commercial flights into space. As technology advances, space tourism could become a multi-billion-dollar industry. Despite all its potential, the aerospace industry faces several challenges. Safety regulations are extremely stringent in aerospace, and for good reason. However, navigating these regulations, especially for new technologies like drones and electric aircraft, can slow down innovation. The aerospace supply chain is complex, involving many specialized components. Disruptions, like those caused by global events or material shortages, can significantly affect production timelines. Aerospace is a capital-intensive industry, with high research and development costs and fierce competition. Companies must constantly innovate to stay ahead, which can put pressure on profits. The future of aerospace is truly out of this world, literally. With missions to Mars in the planning stages and innovations like urban air mobility or flying taxis becoming a reality, the sky is no longer the limit. New technologies, including hypersonic travel, will drastically cut down flight times, making global travel faster and more accessible than ever before. Meanwhile, space exploration is unlocking potential for asteroid mining, space colonization, and new satellite technologies that will revolutionize industries here on Earth. Let's take a look at some of the biggest names in the aerospace industry. Boeing and Airbus lead the commercial aviation space. SpaceX, with its reusable rockets, is transforming space travel. NASA continues to push the envelope in scientific exploration. Lockheed Martin and Raytheon dominate military and defense aviation. And of course, there are many exciting startups working on everything from electric planes to space habitats. The aerospace industry is booming, which means there are tons of career opportunities. Engineers, data scientists, project managers, and technicians are all in high demand. Whether you're interested in designing the next generation of aircraft or being part of groundbreaking space missions, there's a role for you in aerospace.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That wraps up our overview of the aerospace industry. It's a dynamic field that's shaping our future, whether it's through commercial air travel or exploring the far reaches of space. Stay tuned to Worldwide Industry Pulse for more insights into the industries that are shaping our world. If you enjoyed today's episode, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.